guys, welcome back to another video at Slime Lab. So today we're going to be reviewing Trill.slime. I am so excited to be reviewing them. I purchased the slime at Slime Bash, which is why it is not in like a package when you will first see the slimes, but I will show the extras at the end, and I'm so excited for this video, so let's get on to the video. So the first slime is called Galaxy Floam. And the clip after this does have a full mixing video of the Floam because it is different colors. But can we just admire how crunchy this slime is? Like, oh my gosh. I give this slime a 10 out of 10. It is a super crunchy and thick clear-based slime. It self-crunches. It has a bunch of microfoam beads. It has some star glitters in it. And the color is just gorgeous. I'm pretty sure it's scented like grape candy, but it smells so nice, so I definitely recommend this slime. So this is Rainbow Sherbert. This is literally the most pretty neon pink slime I have ever seen in my whole life. It smells just like orange, like those orange popsicles, and it has a really amazing drizzle, and it's so stretchy, so thick, and I'm pretty sure it is a cloud dough because it's not a full cloud slime because it doesn't do the full drizzle, but I am literally loving this slime. It's like my new favorite. Like, I'm shook. This is so amazing. I definitely recommend this slime in her next restock. I don't remember how much it was. I think it was like $10. Yes, this was $10, and oh my gosh. This is, don't make me quit Rainbow Sherbert. Don't make me. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty, so amazing, and it's got me shook. So this is the extra bag for my purchase from Trill.slime. It comes with a, I don't know what to call this, like a squirty thingy, a Starburst, a Sugar Babies candy pack, and some borax, and her new business card that's really fancy. So thank you for coming to Slime Bash. So thank you guys for watching this review video of Trill Slime. It was really fun to film and really fun to go to Slime Bash. I hope that you guys can come to the second one. And huge announcement, I will be attending the second one. I have applied for a table in Slimer's Alley. I won't know for a while if I get the table, but I will keep you updated. And thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow my Instagram, the Slime Lab store. I will link it down below. Purchase from my slime shop. And don't forget to purchase some Slime Bash tickets. They go on sale tomorrow at 10 a.m. And yeah, guys. Also, if you want to see me at Slimer's Alley, make sure to follow me at my Instagram down below because that will increase the chance of me going. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video and bye!